What's up, everybody? Today we're fixing the speedometer on the 740. It's a very easy fix depending on the problem you have. Usually it's the same problem. So I already have the car jacked up. Let me show you what goes on in here. So here's your speedometer sensor on your diff. They usually end up turning into this. Yeah, so it's going to be a very simple fix. Just cut and splice. I already have the connector. I'll put the link down. It's an eBay connector. Plops right in there. Of course, check and make sure that your speedometer sensor actually is good, like the speedo sensor itself. Obviously there's no real way of telling it besides like fixing the wiring harness, but some people damage it, or I've seen a bunch of things. So we're not going to take this out because we don't have to mess with this at all. All we're doing is cutting this, splicing, plugging it in, and hoping that our speedometer works. Very simple fix. 740s, 940s usually have this style instead of the mechanical. Mechanical is just the cable that's on the transmission on the side, on the right side, that runs into the cluster. 85 240, that one also has a speed sensor. I believe it's like the same exact one, connector wise. It just looks a bit different, but let's get to work. Let me splice this, plug it in, and then we'll take it for a test drive, and hopefully that I don't need a new speedo sensor. I don't have a trusty cameraman today, so we're going to have to do it this way. So I already cut it, obviously. You know, you want to get some bit more space. Want to make this cut very gentle, and then just kind of twist and rip it off. Make sure not to cut the cable, of course, very important. So if you look at the old connector, here's the new one, here's the old one. Obviously you want to match the ports, you know, match the splicing, and then you plug it in, and that's literally it. Very simple. Let's untangle this. Alright, so obviously red is power, green is ground. Very simple. These are already pre-spliced. Can't get it to focus properly. Then I'm going to splice these and just attach them together.
Scared me.
Go do your thing, bruh. Come on. There you go. Got these solder sticks. They seem okay. I haven't used them yet. go, and then we're gonna heat that up. And do this one. There you go. Where's my other solder stick? There we go. Let me heat these up and then we'll be back. Alright, I got my lighter. You can do this with a heat gun, torch, whatever you want. I only have a lighter handy in right now, so I'm gonna be using the lighter. Here goes one. There's the second one. There you go. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Let me heat up the solder a little bit more. Fucking hell, massive flame, yeah. That should heat up the solder a bit more. And then, very easy. Literally just plug it in. All right, let's go see if it works. So unfortunately, it didn't fix the speedo. To my knowledge, there was some differential work done. I know there was a differential that was blown up, so maybe it's missing the tone rings, or maybe the speedo sensor is all messed up. I'm not sure, but it didn't fix it. There's some pretty big things coming to the differential in a bit, in the next few months, so we'll probably follow up this video, and I'll probably tag that video as a continuing fact to this video, or that video. I don't remember what I said. Big cooked. But yeah, unfortunately, didn't fix it. But eventually, we will fix it. I just don't know when, because I don't know the exact problem yet. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. A lot of BMW content coming. Some Aston Martin content coming, and a lot of Volvo content is coming soon. We got a lot of goodies coming on the way for this thing, so thank you for tuning in, and I hope that splicing video was a help to some of you guys. I don't know. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Feel free to comment, contact me on Instagram, whatever you guys want, and see you guys on the next one.